Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I created these awesome soft waves in my hair. Now mind you, I have really straight hair, and all I used was this hair dryer, and I created these really cool beachy waves. Now the way this happened, this was all accident because I use this hair dryer. I love this, by the way. I'll put the link below. I got this on Amazon, but I was just distracted one day as I was rotating this, and I just kept going and going and going, and all of a sudden I realized when I let go that I had created something like this. So I just kept going, and I just did it all around my hair, and look at that. So stay here because I'm going to show you step by step how I created this look. Now that it's summertime, I just like to change up my look. So this look is going to be perfect for today. My husband's taking me out for a dinner, so it's going to be just a fun look. But before I show you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any of my future videos. Okay, let's get started and let me show you how I did this. Okay, here we go. The very first thing I like to do is just section out my hair. And then I just start to dry my hair like I normally do. So now that my hair is a little bit dry, I like to put a little bit of volume, and I put the dryer right on the top part there, see? And I just start turning, and I count to 5 and just turn the dryer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just keep doing that all the way until it gets to the very tip of my hair, and just keep turning and twirling, and that would just, there it is. See? Now I'll do the same thing on the other side. Put a little bit of volume up there and turn. Let it sit for a minute, and then start twirling again and do exactly the same thing. Count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twirl, twirl, twirl. See how it's starting to get all turned there? That's how it works. Now the bottom palm, I only wanted to put a little bit of volume so it's not as curly. But now I'm going to start doing the back of my hair and just doing exactly the same motion. Turn, just turning that curling hair. I love that about this curling hair, that I can do this. And it doesn't tangle or anything. So I love this curling hair. I will put the link below so you can look at it if you decide to get it. It's super cool for so many reasons. Okay, so I think that all looks pretty good. I don't want to touch it too much because I don't want it to get flat. Okay, so I think I'm going to section one more, put this top part up. So basically I did 3 sections here, and then I'll do this part here last, and I'll try to make those the curlier ones. Now very carefully I'm going to start drying that section and just do the exact same thing. Go both ways to get that hair dried pretty well. This way, that way. Okay, and now I will put the brush like this, turn it, make sure you hold it upwards, and then just sit there and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn all the way to the very end. Okay, I'm loving these curls. Here we go. Look at that one. That looks so good. Okay, so now just keep going to the back of my hair and drying that part and just doing my turns. I mean, seriously, that's all it takes. And it really doesn't take that long because you're just counting to 5. You just keep going and just rotating, and it'll just create that look for you. I hope it did for me. Now to keep these awesome little curls, I'm going to use this product, Nexus Hairspray. It is so soft, but it just really helps to keep those curls, especially for my hair, because my hair gets flat so easily. I love this one. It's the Nexus, and I just bought it on Amazon. I will add the link for you just so you know what it is if you decide to get it. But it smells wonderful, and it's my favorite hairspray. Okay, now I'm ready for my very last layer, and I will start with these small little pieces. I like those to kind of fall in front of my face like little wispies. So I just turn the hair dryer a little bit, and see, there it is. It just creates that really cool look in front of your face. And I will continue with the rest of the top of my hair and just let it dry like this so it will get some volume on the top, definitely. And then I turn the hair dryer this way, see, and then just slowly just keep turning it all the way, just like you did before, to the very tip of this hair. And this will create some really cool curls. Now I'm going slower here because I want a little bit bigger curls. Now as you can see, these are very soft and very loose beachy waves that I'm creating here today. I kind of like that look. I mean, that's just a great little summer look. It's kind of messy, but you just get these really cute little curls in your hair. So I'm just gonna keep going here on the top of my head and just do the turns, just like I showed you before. And then you just keep going all around your hair and just stay as long as you need to there in each section. So I think this way I can create a little bit more of a wave here on the top section of my hair. the top of my hair, it always gets really flat. So I like to just take a section like this, and I will put this round hair dryer behind it, and just right there on the top of my head, just let it get heated so it creates some volume. And then I come the opposite way and do the same thing. So just go back and forth, creating that volume and just turning it, because seriously, I just cannot get any height on the top of my head. So this is something that I've learned to do. And then I'll just curl the very end and just twist it around and try to get a little bit of a curl into this part of my hair. Okay, I think I'm almost done. I'm just finishing up the last little pieces. Just trying to turn those a little bit more. And I am almost done. Now with this comb, I'm just going to take that top again and just kind of wisp it up here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then a little bit more on the top. I mean, this is seriously the only way that I can get some height on the back of my head there. So see, there it is. Look at that. Okay, no, seriously, I'll put a little bit of hairspray, and now I'm just going to, soften it up. Here it is. Oh my gosh, it works. And here it is, guys. Look at this. Nice, soft, beachy waves. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching my video. This was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.